how to get better stream quality on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to get better stream quality on Discord. So let's begin. But before we start, let me explain to you what is Discord. So Discord is the easiest way to talk over voice, video, and text. So just like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or Twitter in which you can send messages, Discord is also another platform, but what I like about Discord is that it has the easier functions like this one. You may just join the voice channels without notifying or ringing the other person, so or other users as well. So you can just join right here, and then you may start sharing your screen or whichever you want. And then now let's proceed to changing the setting of our Discord. So first, simply click on user settings right here and then go to voice and video under the app settings. So right here, scroll down until you can reach the advanced option right here. So once you're in advanced, make sure to look for video codec. So under video codec, you may see two options. So one is the OpenH264 video codec provided by Cisco System Incorporated, and the second one is the H.264 hardware acceleration. So what you're going to do here is to simply turn off these two options, since it will require you to have a hardware such as your NVIDIA, for example, to accelerate whenever you share your screen or have a stream. So simply turn that off and then click on escape right here or click on escape on your keyboard and then try it out and you may have a smoother experience or have a better quality of your stream. So that's it. That's how you can get better stream quality on Discord. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.